What's going on? Michael Petty here. Let's increase your income in 2025 and let's do it the very simple way. Okay. Exitus Elite is the main business opportunity. It is the only business opportunity that I promote. They added in a Exodus Inner Circle where you can make $25 per member per month. So not only can you make instant income, now you can build a residual income for every person that you bring into the Exitus Inner Circle. It's led by Paul Stevenson, the owner of Exitus Elite, and you got Marcus Taylor, a motivational speaker, author, coach, and together they came up with this inner circle. It's about motivation, it's about personal development, it's about growth, and this is a community of people, so you're not alone. A community of people all geared towards the same mission. Okay, we're talking about growth, we're talking about building something, right? You ask questions in here, you're going to get answers. Even if you ask questions in the Exitus Elite Facebook group, you're going to get answers. And a lot of people struggle with their mindset, right? That's one thing I love about the inner circle, because it's helping you grow mindset wise. And that's the first thing people need to do, is grow within their minds. Because if you can't conquer your own mind, how you can't conquer anything else, right? Listen, we're going to take the simple route, okay? This is the simplicity of online business. You get people to your lead capture page, okay? People enter the information. From there, they go to your sales page, see all the information. We have an Exodus sales team that closes your sales for you. So if you're busy, you can't close your own sales, we have a team that will do that for you and send you the commission, right? This video right here will explain everything you have to know. And here's the deal about Exodus Elite. They done simplified it, okay? We used to have to close our own sales, period. But now, with the sales team, you don't have to. So whether you're on vacation, okay, just like me, you're seeing this video, you make the decision, go to the lead capture page, fill out the information, you're going to come here and see the presentation. You might call the call center, you join, I make a commission, right? Pretty simple. But in Exodus Elite, 9 times out of 10, people that join this want to talk to you, okay? We're talking about $2,000 commissions. You want to connect with the person, right? So my contact information is right there. Call me, text me, let's set up a time, let's chit chat. Now with the Exitus Elite Inner Circle, I'm going to give anybody who joined my team free access, okay? Now, depending on what level you make the decision to come in at, you get a month free, you get up to 8 months free. Jump on the phone, let's talk about how I'm going to do that for you, how I'm going to pay for your access inside of the community. That's going to put you in position to earn those $25 monthly residuals. And you didn't even pay for it in the beginning. Got time to build your residual income. So when you think about the Exodus Elite Inner Circle, one thing you always hear top earners say: get coaching, build your mindset, watch personal development, listen to personal development, turn your vehicle into a library. You hear this often. So we have it right here in the company itself. So you don't have to join the company and go buy some other course or go somewhere else and get the training, because you got it all right here. You join the company, that's exactly what you're going to be getting, right? You join me, I'm going to give you access to that. And I have some additional bonuses. You get to see it all right here on the sales page once you opt in to get that information, right? When marketing your business, okay, it's as simple as getting eyeballs to your lead capture page. It's as simple as you showing up, getting in front of people, right? So they can learn about you, right? They're not going to learn about you in one video. They're not going to learn all about you in emails, okay? See, a lot of times what people like to do is lead capture page, let the email drip, but they don't want to get in front of their people. They want to hide in the background. How are you going to hide from people? How can a person pay you $1,000 instant commissions if you're hiding, right? Do you want to be right there in front of the people with your hand out to receive it? Or do you want to tell somebody else, hey, go over there and get that money for me? No, you want to be in front of people. People want to hear your voice. People want to see your face. People need to feel, are you serious? Is this person actually going to help me? Or is the person just going to take the money and run? Ain't no running for me. Once you call that phone number or text that phone number, it comes directly to this phone right here, okay? So you would be talking directly to me, Michael Petty, unless you make the decision to call the call center. Expert team behind you to help you make some money. You can't fail that way, right? The only way to really fail is to quit. So if you never quit, you can never fail. You're going to have some people say, I've been doing this thing before and I never made money. And here's a question. Did you join the right person? Did the person tell you to put your face and your voice in front of your people? Let people know who you are. Tell people the truth. You ain't got to fake. I work a full-time job. Been on my job for 26 years. I don't want to get a second job. So I came online to offset that income so I wouldn't have to get a second job. So I wouldn't have to work as much overtime just to make ends meet. Because a job alone isn't gonna cut it. Let's just be honest, okay? A lot of people, they may make six figures, but maybe they want freedom. That's how my sponsor was. He always made good money. He just wanted complete freedom. He didn't want to have to get up and go to his job. Being around for a while, you will hear that information. You got people that have a full-time job, but maybe they just need an additional $500 a month, just to have some breathing room, and that's good with them. It all depends on what your goal is. One person goal is $5,000 a month. One person goal is $500. One person is $10,000. One person is $20,000. Whatever you want, that's what you go for. But one thing I can guarantee you, the same thing you're going to have to do to make that $10,000 is the same thing you're going to have to do to get $500. So with that being said, it takes the same amount of effort. It don't matter how much you want to make. Some months you might make 1,000. Some months you might make 5. And with the Exitus Inner Circle, you may have people joining you, they're staying in, and you building your residual income. So now we got instant $2,000 commissions and $25 per member per month income that you got coming in, all in one company. That's why I'm hands down all in with Exitus Elite. That's it. It fits everything. Okay, you can get started for at least $149. That's low. It's $50 a month for the Exitus Inner Circle. I'm going to cover some months for you. You make the decision to commit to G1000, that's $1,300. I'm going to cover 4 months of the Inner Circle. Okay, that's 4 months you got time to build people in. Okay, you earn a $25 residual, so you get in 2 people, it's covered. Get in 3 people, you're in profit. Being part of a community of people who are all wanting the same thing, who are all building their organization, getting the mindset training, growing, wanting more. Like I made this post right here, the best teacher, no matter who you join, a top earner, no matter what anybody tell you, action is what's going to teach you how to do this business, how to do any business. Okay, you can get advice from top earners, you can get advice from anybody, but nothing is better than actually putting in the work. That's what's going to teach you how to really build this business. Action. So listen, my name is Michael Petty. Click the link down in the description. Get in on this opportunity. Get in on the Inner Circle. Let me cover some months for you. Come in as high as possible. Let me cover as much as possible for you so you can start building and then move into profit mode. I appreciate you for taking time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.